Controversies represent.
A few moments later.
Gaza fans, uno owe Vanessa Bling an apology for the disrespect or no disrespect Vanessa Bling. From Vybz Kartel come from prison till now. Vanessa Bling saved Vybz Kartel career after prison.
Bumbo rascal. Jamaica, stop!
A few moments later.
You see me a show no life go. Vybz Kartel go in a bar claim one time and sell it off. When CJ Milan book Massacre is a problem. When she book Alkaline is a problem. So, no. Everybody who speak against Vybz Kartel Badmine. But nobody no see when the Gaza fan them speak and tear down every other's artist.
Hey y'all, come look at this.
We don't want a real truth Gaza fan, so let me give you know. The biggest takeaway from Reggae land, UK, with Vybz Kartel headline and close, was Vybz Kartel announcing that Sidem pregnant.
Jesus, please! This like no man! No man!
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox, how the latest news them lock.
Well, go on, you don't know one Media Fox, you know. Yeah, man, a mad thing, man. People, you know, so me see that clip here. A dream weekend, seeing Alkaline and perform. I mean, I tell you, you know. Yo, Alkaline music. Me see why him fans them stay with him musically. Always a man where him not really active on the social media. But now it's like me see why him fans them so connect to him, although them not see him every day. You see him music reflect him fans them. I saw him fans them relate to him. You understand? It's like the music when him sing, him fans them connect to it because you know most of them maybe move like how Alka move. You understand? Them independent, them stay to themselves. You see me? And Alkaline music, powerful music. And that's why, without controversy, him being at the media every day, him fans them defend him and dead with him because I'm music. You understand? The connection with the music where them have, that's how you have a fan base where I got chat with you no matter what, rough road or where you go through, them I got dead because of your music where them can relate to. Them I go through things and the music take them out of the situation. You understand? Because I see that girl there performing, you know. See that girl there sing the song with Alkaline and you can see it. You can see the pain. You understand? Yeah, man. The song itself, when you just listen it, you say, yo, John know that, yo, that song is a reality. You see it? But here we go on, people. Get to you to have a dream. So go on work. Bring the money in. Remember that. You see, sometimes in life, people want to tell you what you do or what you do with your life. You understand? Sometimes them tell you, say, yo, don't do that because they don't want you win. You understand? Just do what you want to do. Do what you think or what you feel like, yo, if you do this, you're going to become successful. You understand? Yeah, man, I saw it go. I follow what everybody say. Sometimes people tell you something just because they want you feel. You see it, or them not want you win. You see me? You can feel the pain, yo. You can see it in her eyes, she feel the pain. And this is why Vendetta so loyal with them artists. The music, I'm telling you already. The music, I will make people rate Alkaline. You understand? because the youth put some powerful message in their music out there. You see me? Yeah, enough people out there I try to do them best do a thing and people are fight them, I bad mind them. And them just say, yo, this one say, yo, love me. Make me do my thing. You understand? I want to do it that way, yeah. Now tell me what to do. You understand? Make me live my life. And at this, that song I represent. You see me? Yeah, man. That's why you have Alkaline as one of the biggest fan base in the dancehall today. Because the youth music and him stay to himself. You understand? Yeah, man. Him not do the corruption thing and them little thing there. Him not fight youths. That's why you see him have show like new rules and them little thing there. Where young youths can fall upon the platform and showcase themselves. You understand? Yeah, man. Is it? Yeah, man, you don't know. You see, music is a powerful thing. Remember me tell you that you don't play music. And music are one of the things that make the world go around. You understand? Remember that, car. Music is therapy as well. You see me? Music, happiness, fans. If there was no music, you wouldn't have parties and them clubs and them thing there. You understand? So music is very important to the society. You see me? So remember, when you do music, you have to balance it. You see me? You can't just do one thing. You see it? Yeah, man. Very powerful. But Jeffrey have a thing. J Progress. You see me? Have a thing for say people. You don't know J Progress. You know, from where they him and the Gaza thing, you see me? Him just a try call out the Gaza and make them know and say, yo, one of it does easy. You see it? And do the right thing. You see it? Yeah, man. Big up J Progress. You don't know. Yeah, man. You out a damn thing. You see me? Yeah, man.
Gaza fans, uno owe Vanessa Bling an apology for the disrespect or no disrespect Vanessa Bling. From Vybz Kartel come from prison till now. Vanessa Bling saved Vybz Kartel career after prison. Anyway, Vybz Kartel go outside in Jamaica and outside of Jamaica. Vanessa Bling and Vybz Kartel collab one man and the Ongo song will get real forward. When you talk to me, man, what one a reggae line? The one song will get the forward of the entire show for Vybz Kartel. Was it not Vanessa Bling and the Vybz Kartel? I mean, see you no disrespect Vanessa Bling, but you know Gaza fans owe Vanessa Bling an apology because Vanessa Bling saved Vybz Kartel career. If it's so bad, I don't rate Vanessa Bling and Vybz Kartel probably not rate Vanessa Bling. Why even do that song them have a whole catalog? Because the entire catalog where you have, none of the song them can't get the forward with Vanessa Bling and the collab with Vanessa Bling and you Vybz Kartel get.
Yeah, man, that song they powerful. And you see, you know, when it comes to events and party, I must see woman go party, I must see woman buy tickets. You understand? Woman love them type of vibes, especially when it comes to, because you know, most of the genre them are mostly like male artist kind of domination thing. So you know, so the women's them I go even support more. You understand? So you see that song there? Where Vanessa Bling and Vybz Kartel sing is like, yo, it's an anthem. I'm not like Vanessa part, the girls them I go sing, you got every year throws with that song there. So yeah, man, it's a good combination and it's a half and half. You see me? And it work good. You see me? So yeah, Vanessa voice, trust me, her voice very powerful. You understand? Yeah, and she the only female out of the Gaza where we can say, yo, she a do it. You understand? And she humble and she not in the politics and them little things. She try to stay from the negative side. You understand? Yeah, man, and that me rate with her.
Vybz Kartel, Vanessa Bling is a blessing that could have ever cross your path. Today, the one song will get the world forward every show you go. And the part where Vanessa Bling sing, the Ongo chorus Vybz Kartel really get any show is the song with Vanessa Bling and Vybz Kartel. Gaza fans, uno owe Vanessa Bling a public apology. All I wanna look nice, boy we make be a nice boy, Ray. Uno needs to do a video and apologize to Vanessa Bling for the disrespect because of Vanessa Bling saved Vybz Kartel career right now. Come on now guys, let's talk about it. Reggae land, UK. Me tell you something like when the smoke clear. Cause first you have to listen and get honest feedback other than just the noise what the Gaza fans they make. At first me tell you say Vybz Kartel I go struggle with the Reggae land crowd. And one thing, me no hear the Gaza fans them are going crazy and mad like how them say Vybz Kartel mash up some fest and Vybz Kartel mash up Barclay. Don't me tell you say Vybz Kartel cannot manage the UK crowd. Right now, the amount of video we see where people are cuss people. If you don't know Vibes Cartel, don't come and show. The people them boring. The people them not sing him song. Listen. People come to Reggae land for entertainment. We know say Vibes Cartel can entertain. However, maybe this is one of the best performance personally in do for him come from prison. But it still never hit the crowd. The people them no know Vibes Cartel like that. The people them don't know Vibes Cartel song like that. Vibes Cartel is not big as they thought he was.
The thing is that, I think me see people alone brother forward out and him I say, yo, 20 minutes and I show him just I feel like one of the part of the thing is the bands as well, You see me? Because people sing some of them song them today, but some of them not really, get that effect there. You understand? So, but the bands, is a reggae thing and them love see the bands. You see me? I feel like that's one of the thing as well. You understand? Yeah, the audio thing, that reggae land, I think I'm the only dancehall artist when I perform with a band. So, it's a major difference, is it?
This is the problem. Vibes Cartel sell gold in England with fever, but Vibes Cartel don't understand say somebody in
No, I didn't sell gold in no man, a silver. Him sell gold in a USA. Yeah man, with fever.
I mean know one or two of your song, but they don't really know this man who are close the show. Vibes Cartel barely survive if shift the crowd a little bit. 60,000 people, you have 5,000 people so. You notice what the cameraman have to do? Put it on the front line. To get the two little reaction there. I'm telling you something. If you see how Massacre deal with Reggae land in a daytime and you can see the reaction. Imagine Vibes Cartel in a night when even if you turn on your phone if you look funny, the light up. He didn't manage Reggae land as all these people expected. That's why the Gaza fans them now one good Vibes Cartel Reggae land performance. Would I get about a 6 out of 10 for how him deal with Reggae land. A lot of people left disappointed. A lot of Gaza fans left a cuss, if you don't know, because them a cuss the other patrons them. People didn't come to Reggae land or pay the money to Reggae land just to come and see Vibes Cartel. And at this you need to understand.
Yeah man, cause I'm not him alone perform, so other artists perform as well, so I'm not him alone. Reggae land is something we are keep. Even right now, Reggae land gone both sell both because people were signing up about 50,000 tickets gone already. And the show next year, the show just keep out there. 50,000 tickets. Remember 100,000 them sell that one year, And them have 50,000 tickets put on already where people sign up for. Them gone 50,000. So maybe I'll end the year and next year now more go add on. Yeah man.
Because Gaza fans them run out and say Vibes Cartel, Vibes Cartel. May God who no did there and witness it for yourself. The internet is there as proof with the real genuine feedback. Vibes Cartel. I warned you before you call Reggae land. Say it will not be like your other shows then. Believe. When you see me a show no life go. Vibes Cartel go in a bar claim one time and sell it off. When CJ Milan book Massacre is a problem. When she book Alkaline is a problem. So no, everybody who speak against Vibes Cartel Badmine, but nobody no see when the Gaza fan them speak and not hear them every other's artist. That's why me not listen to you. That's why me not pay you no mind. You see what me I say? Massacre, Alkaline go in there. We no tear down Alkaline for the two show and they still sell off. No CJ Milan book Massacre and we no tear down Massacre. That's we no tear down the man so much that CJ Milan have to respond. He get too much. Why we no ongo one Vibes Cartel alone for go in the arena go work?
Why? I mean I know another. Yo, if Gaza fan could have controlled the industry, I tell you, enough brother, enough of them the culture would have crashed. I tell you, brother. The man them from Vibes Cartel forward out. Like when it comes to tearing down me G, it even get worse. I tell you. Remember when I can't forget Kesnam the Grammy. And the way how Nuffy forward out and diss up the youth through the youth win Grammy. And call out Grammy and Vibes Cartel. Find you see Vibes Cartel have to put out a report and say, yo, if you're not hearing no words from him manager and him lawyer, it's not him. You understand? Him only represents anybody else just for show you and nothing that for put out an apology. Them money are vile. Them no want no other artists do it. You understand? Them no want no other artists do it. You see me? At that. Cause even when Vibes Cartel forward out, I'm never rate to him though. You understand? when him forward out and him do him first, I think him first interview or something like so. The man, the power and the man I say, yo, like how much of the artist them can get a goal without a label or whatsoever. I mean, I say, bro, that should even pre like that, my G. Cause at the end of the day, everybody put in them work. You understand? Cartel is signed to green sleeve, it not happen. Enough artists can sign and it still not work out, my G. It's just that the power of the music. You understand? You have to give people them credit for what them do. You understand? You can't say, oh, through them do this and do that. You see, cause other people sign to label and not make it. You see me? So just that me never really rate when they say the time. You see me? Cause at the end of the day, if you get the goal, you still use help same way. Cause on a your label alone do it. Zojak was there as a distributor same way. You maybe not use a major label, but at the same thing. You understand? Yeah, man.
Unna have another dancehall artist. One, there is a dancehall artist them no count. Unna want another dancehall artist going in the arena. When Bunty Killer go in the arena go work, unna have a problem with it same way. Every artist, when I don't have to go in the arena go work, unna have a problem with it same way. Every other dancehall artist, the Gaza supporters, them tear down and blighted them. They don't want to see no other dancehall artist go nowhere. But when people are speaking by cartel, them Badmine, them art dirty, them envious. So what? My one artist in the dancehall, God go with me not stop beat Vibes Cartel till me pay it burn up. Let me tell them that. I am not stop beat Vibes Cartel because I Uno Gaza fans till me pay it burn up. Because you see, true no face here one artist in the dancehall. You think I've missed on a berry artist already, you know? Look on little Intense we are doing thing. And because Intense no give Vibes Cartel no respect and him no rate Vibes Cartel, Alkaline him rate. You no tear down the youth. But you don't think everybody gonna rate Vibes Cartel? Everybody now rates Vibes Cartel. And Vibes Cartel are the only dancehall artist in a dancehall. Vibes Cartel will never be the only dancehall artist you go in the arena. So since I got Uno Gaza fans want, God go with Uno. Me tell you already. Every other is blogger afraid of Uno. No problem, man. I don't need no blogger over here for beat. Uno soon run guy hide. The touch no stop, man. A bird season on the Gaza, me tell you already. See, woman don't got this. The woman will try bring dancehall and put dancehall at a level. But because you don't want this woman just put Vibes Cartel alone at a level and don't look for no other dancehall artists and pick side like Joe Bogdanovich and scatterbarrel them. And that's what you want the woman do, you know. So what happen? If she can book Vibes Cartel in an arena and Vibes Cartel sell out the show them. So what happen to a massacre? One to a Alkaline, one to a Beanie Man, one to a Squash, one to a Malidan, one to every dancehall artist who have a chance.
Let me tell you, brother, some of them Gaza people here, I'ma say, you know, some look on a Gaza, brother, seen pan a TikTok live. I'ma say, yo, bro, I just one dancehall. The man say, I don't know one dancehall. The man say, a Vibes Cartel. Them not care about the culture. If I them alone, the culture dead. Remember the thing them what the man them run with, you know. Remember, when it comes to Vibes Cartel, you know, a 5% of music where them run with, you know. The other 95% are be a drama and some madness and controversy thing, you know. The man them not care about the culture, my G. That's why them bring down every artist, so. Them not care about the culture. Them only care about the culture when Vibes Cartel are represent. You understand? Yeah, man.
But everybody who speak against Vibes Cartel are Badmine him for money. If I no money a house, if I no house a lion, if I no God go with you know. Me don't talk. You know what you go on. We don't want real true Gaza fans, so let me give you know. The biggest takeaway from Reggae land, UK, with Vibes Cartel headline and close, was Vibes Cartel announcing that Sidem pregnant. If Vibes Cartel never announced that on stage, then nobody at all have nothing to talk about.
And that's facts, for real. Because when Vibes Cartel announced, even somebody in at the party, the Reggae land, I say, yo, Vibes Cartel just announced about Sidem pregnant. If you check every Instagram post, Sidem pregnant. That's all. If that never go on, nobody wouldn't have nothing to say. Me I tell you that. No controversy, nothing. And that save him.
Anybody talk about Vibes Cartel performance at Reggae land? The biggest takeaway from Reggae land for Vibes Cartel, the only thing that anybody can remember is that him announces Sidem pregnant. Because him flop a Reggae land. If imagine him best performance since him come from prison and him still flop. Imagine that. Me don't understand what this mean. It means say Vibes Cartel go really big in the Caribbean. Or you put him in a place like New York or one of them places there where it's drum packed with Jamaicans who only go really buy him ticket them. Isn't that a problem? What does that tell you guys? The superstar who not think Vibes Cartel is. I mean, yeah, man, see already Vibes Cartel is very much overrated. And the Reggae land proved that. Imagine a man left go England as a big superstar. And when him go to band, he don't really know him sang them. That's him fans him if he cost the people them say them need to come on the show. Imagine that. It's a reality check. Vibes Cartel still not break out internationally yet. Vibes Cartel have 1 and 2 songs in some different country we are play. Vibes Cartel not break out yet internationally. The biggest crowd of Vibes Cartel ever I go get outside of Jamaica. I will go to Africa. Africa alone I go give him that day reaction they like what Jamaica give him. Africa alone. Vibes Cartel is not that international artist yet. He's not there yet. Reggae land supposed to tell you that. The announcement of Sidem breed save him for Reggae land. Right now? Well, I am not saying that they won't do it because regardless of how a man perform, if the ticket them sell, the promoter making money. But if it's going on performance and the reaction of the patrons who attend Reggae land, Vibes Cartel will not be closing a Reggae land again. If Reggae land is going by patrons' reaction and what the feedback of the show and the closing act, Vibes Cartel would not be closing Reggae land again. But maybe the kind of ticket them sell.
And the thing is, with Regular and Vibes Cartel, it's just that him have the higher demand, and I don't know, I'm not sure if I'm first. I think I may be in first performance of Regular, I guess. You understand? Yeah, I'm not sure, but him have the higher demand, so that's why it's different. You understand? Yeah, cause years people not see him. You see me?
Tell you what, some people didn't know what to expect, but now that them see. Me don't talk. I one thing me can say. Thank God him announced that for Reggae land. Otherwise, I would have been the floppiest stage show him ever go on. Believe.
Well, people, you don't know Media Fox. Me just here to give the content. You understand? Big up on yourself. You don't know one Media Fox pan here. Mad thing. That is it.